If you're following our Global Economic Outlook series, hit subscribe to stay updated with new country releases. The South Korea Economy Stable 2026 Outlook reflects a phase of balanced economic performance defined by modest growth, resilient employment conditions, controlled inflation, carefully calibrated interest rates, and manageable public debt levels. Stability, rather than rapid expansion, is the defining characteristic, supported by prudent policymaking, diversified economic structures, and gradual normalization of domestic demand. A key pillar of this stability is the GDP annual growth rate, which remained modest in 2025 and is projected to stay moderate in 2026. During 2025, South Korea recorded annual GDP growth close to 1.8%, reflecting subdued but positive economic momentum. For 2026, growth projections remain within a similar range of approximately 1.5 to 1.8%. These figures indicate that the economy continues to expand without overheating or slipping into contraction. While growth is slower compared with historical averages, it provides predictability and continuity for businesses, households, and policymakers. This steady expansion supports the classification of the economy as stable rather than accelerating or declining. The unemployment rate reinforces this stability narrative. In late 2025, unemployment hovered around 2.7 to 2.8%. A level that remains low by international standards. Such a rate reflects a labor market that continues to absorb workers despite moderate economic growth. Employment stability supports household income, consumption, and social confidence, all of which are essential components of a stable economy. Looking into 2026, unemployment is expected to remain near these levels, suggesting that job creation and labor demand remain broadly aligned with workforce participation. Monetary policy has been a crucial factor in maintaining equilibrium. Stable interest rates reduce uncertainty for borrowers and investors, allowing businesses to plan capital expenditures and households to manage debt servicing more effectively. For 2026, policy rates are expected to remain broadly stable, reinforcing confidence in financial conditions and contributing to overall macroeconomic steadiness. The South Korea Economy Stable 2026 Outlook reflects a phase of balanced economic performance. Following periods of volatility, the 2025-2026 timeframe shows South Korea transitioning into a steadier macroeconomic environment where stability, rather than rapid expansion, is the defining characteristic. A key pillar of this stability is the GDP annual growth rate. During 2025, South Korea recorded annual GDP growth close to 1.8%. For 2026, growth projections remain within a similar range of approximately 1.5 to 1.8%. While slower than historical averages, this steady expansion provides predictability, indicating the economy continues to expand without overheating or contracting. The unemployment rate reinforces this stability narrative. In late 2025, unemployment hovered around 2.7 to 2.8%, a level that remains low by international standards and reflects a labor market that continues to absorb workers. Looking into 2026, unemployment is expected to remain near these levels, supporting household income and consumption. Monetary policy has been a crucial factor in maintaining equilibrium. The interest rate environment in 2025 settled around 2.5 to 2.75%, reflecting a neutral stance by the central bank to balance economic support with inflation control. For 2026, policy rates are expected to remain broadly stable, reinforcing confidence in financial conditions. Price stability further underpins the stable outlook. The inflation rate in South Korea moderated through 2025, remaining around 2.0 to 2.4%. This range is consistent with price stability targets, indicating balanced supply and demand pressures. For 2026, inflation is expected to remain contained, supporting real income stability. Fiscal conditions also play an important role. The debt-to-GDP ratio has increased as the government implemented fiscal measures, with public debt levels approaching the mid to high 40% range of GDP by 2025. While higher than historical norms, these levels remain manageable and below those of many advanced economies, as the government balances support with long-term sustainability. South Korea's diversified economic structure contributes significantly to its resilience. High-value industries such as semiconductors, electronics, and advanced manufacturing remain central to output and exports. In 2025, Export performance improved gradually, supported by global demand for technology products. This diversified base reduces reliance on any single industry and provides buffers against external shocks. Domestic demand trends also support the stable outlook. Private consumption showed gradual improvement during 2025, supported by low unemployment and easing inflation. Although consumer sentiment remains sensitive to global uncertainties, stable income and employment conditions help sustain baseline spending. Investment activity, particularly in technology, continues to support long-term competitiveness. Policy direction into 2026 emphasizes maintaining stability. Fiscal measures focus on targeted support for households and strategic industries, while structural policies aim to enhance productivity and address demographic challenges. These measures help smooth economic fluctuations and reduce the risk of sharp downturns. Despite this stable outlook, risks remain. External factors like global trade tensions and geopolitical uncertainties could affect exports. Domestically, challenges related to an aging population and household debt require ongoing policy attention. However, the current combination of moderate growth, stable prices, and manageable debt suggests these risks are contained. In conclusion, the South Korea economy stable 2026 outlook is defined by moderate GDP growth, low unemployment, stable interest rates, controlled inflation, and a manageable debt-to-GDP ratio. Together, these indicators depict an economy operating within balanced parameters. While growth is not rapid, the overall environment remains predictable and resilient, supporting the characterization of South Korea's economy in 2026 as stable. Investment activity, particularly in technology-driven sectors, continues to support productive capacity and long-term competitiveness, even if overall investment growth remains moderate. Policy direction into 2026 emphasizes maintaining stability rather than pursuing aggressive expansion. Fiscal measures focus on targeted support for households, small and medium-sized enterprises, and strategic industries. Structural policies aim to enhance productivity, address demographic challenges, and promote innovation. These measures help smooth economic fluctuations and reduce the risk of sharp downturns, contributing to a predictable macroeconomic environment. External factors such as global trade tensions, shifts in global monetary conditions, and geopolitical uncertainties could affect exports and financial markets. Domestically, challenges related to an aging population, productivity disparities, and household debt require ongoing policy attention. However, the current combination of moderate growth, stable prices, low unemployment, and manageable debt suggests that these risks are contained rather than destabilizing. In conclusion, the South Korea economy stable 2026 outlook is defined by moderate GDP growth around 1.5 to 1.8%, low unemployment near 2.7 to 2.8%, stable interest rates around 2.5 to 2.75%, controlled inflation near 2 to 2.4%, and a debt-to-GDP ratio in the high 40% range. For more data-driven insights and global market breakdowns, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay informed, stay ahead. This is Economics FX, where clarity meets strategy. Until next time, trade smart.